Good evening. Today, I, Atul Kumar of BEXTC, have successfully completed experiment number 6 of big data analysis. So, in this experiment, we have used Jupyter Notebook to perform this experiment. My Jupyter Notebook was not getting installed, so I use online Jupyter Notebook for that. So, basically, I have loaded the files on the online server, then installed the Pandas library on the conventional way we use in Jupyter by running this run. Then the data has been loaded. Then this all that Italy COVID cases CVC file contain the dates and new cases, new dates and new test. So this is all info of all the columns data, and this is description. Then new cases columns are shown on this particular, and these cases are there. So new cases, number of new cases, some total of the new cases, and here we can see if you're copying the data. We are taking what is a location from. Using this function we can see the rows from 108 to 103 and a sample of 10, a sample of the random samples which takes only the 10 values to sample of analyzing the data from data frames. So this command uses overall what we say to analyze the data in the data set. So if you use, then we get the overall report data is at least 13.07%, and total cases are this much. So this is command lines to analyze the data. So this true and for new high cases, false new cases, positive rate. So displaying the data, new data. Now this is how positive rate is divided by the COVID new tests, and sorting the rows or the columns. This is how new dates are sorted, new columns are sorted. Working with dates. So this is how the dates are there, like on the format of year, months, and date. So all the new cases, new dates, and new test overall. So grouping aggregation, grouping the data and indexing it, all these things. Merging data from the multiple sources. I have downloaded the what we say another CVC file from this location, then merged with the previous one, so we can see that we get the result of here, like new result of CVC file, new file with having all the document that merged. So returning back, writing back to the file. So basically new data is downloaded, and we new data is downloaded, then merge the data and we write it to a file called a result.cv. So that's it for experiment number 6, big data analysis.